Good afternoon. I am Judy, the sodium attacker. I got my sodium attacker mug handy with a good cup of coffee. There's a lot of times people tell me, don't know how you move around in your kitchen. Well, it's easy. It's easy. I got things to do, things to show you. And we're just going to get going and do it. I have peppermint bark, 2 different kinds, Ghirardelli and Costco. It doesn't make any difference. They're the same. They might not taste the same, but you know how many milligrams of sodium you've had, you know how many you're gonna have, and you kind of get a good idea of how many you just really wouldn't mind replacing with some bark. I used to always think that chocolate bark was only around during the holidays, but I don't think so. I think you can get it any time of year. We got to pay attention to the use by date on it. This one says 3/31/22. Use it by then. And there's no problem with that. We can do that. I don't know if you can freeze it or not. I'm not at all sure. Okay. This one says sell by January 4th, 2022. It doesn't have a use this by a certain date. I have my scale right here because I want to show you how much is in the different servings of chocolate bark. Okay, 35 grams. Uh-oh, got a little bit more. Okay, 32 grams. Exactly, 35 grams. So, this much of the chocolate bark has 35 grams in a serving, and each serving's got only 15 milligrams of sodium. Oh, folks, hey, when you look at this, that is our serving size. You can have some mighty tasty treat with this. In the Costco peppermint bark weighed, this is 1 serving. That's a lot. It's a good, tasty bunch right here. My Kroger's grocery store has got a stand-up cardboard container. Oh, not just one, but several of them all the way through the store. And it's got, among other things, Ghirardelli's chocolate bark. It makes me happy to show you something that's not much sodium, that you can really, really enjoy. Have fun with that, folks. That's a really good thing for us to have.